In this video, we will learn all about countable nouns and uncountable nouns with examples. Are you ready? Let's go. What are countable nouns? Basically, things which you can count. 1 apple, 2 bananas, 3 dogs. They have singular and plural forms like pen, pens. We can use a number, a, an before noun, like a cat, an apple. What are uncountable nouns? The things which we cannot count one by one because they are too small or too much. For example, water, salt, sugar, milk, rice. They are always singular. You can't say one water. You have to say a glass of water. You can't say 2 rice. You have to say a bowl of rice. Uncountable nouns are always singular form. For example, deer and sheep, aircraft. If you liked my video, don't forget to ask a grown-up and subscribe to my channel.